Here I have HTC Desire 82.5 and let me show you how to take screenshots on this device. So at first let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be calendar, and let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is simply use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, about 2 seconds. And as you can see, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down for about 2 seconds. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using upper bar and by choosing screenshot captured, or you can accomplish that by finding and selecting the gallery or photos right here. Here we've got the photos application. Here you should find your photos. Let me do not backup data right now. Tap next. If this is your first time, you have to go through this tutorial. But right now you can find your saved screenshots, and if you would like to, you can share, edit or delete taken screenshots. Just wait until the folder pops up. So let's choose, for example, the device folders, choose your screenshot, and now you can do whatever you want with these pictures. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.